Following the deaths of 2 Chicago firefighters in the last week, area fire departments are doing everything they can to keep their firefighters safe. News 9's Nick Robinson joins us live in the studio with more on what they're doing to avoid the same tragedy.
Natalie, the fire departments I've talked to say they're a close-knit brotherhood and that it's devastating to lose someone in the line of duty, and that while their job often puts them in harm's way, they're taking steps to keep everyone safe. 2 Chicago firefighters lost their lives this week trying to save others. And back in the Badger State, fire departments are trying to limit the risks.
We look at the number one line of duty death, and it's heart attacks and being physically fit. Here at the Stevens Point Fire Department, we just recently introduced a 1-hour mandatory PT physical fitness hour during our day.
Moody adding that when it comes to keeping everyone safe, their strength is in their numbers.
When we arrive on a fire scene of a working structure fire, we put 5 chiefs on scene. We have an incident commander, a plans chief, we have a safety chief, we have a RIT chief, and an interior chief.
Wisconsin Rapids Fire also requiring their firefighters to do fitness hours, and their battalion chief says there's strict guidelines for them to follow in the field.
We have SOGs and their standard operating guidelines. We use those for everything from station security to behavioral health and all things in between.
Adding that the emphasis on safety doesn't stop when the fire is put out.
When they get back to the station, we have a decon procedure that we work through, and they work through taking steam showers, getting a change of clothes, and then we check their vitals one more time.
Both departments saying that it's important to fall back on their training if they ever find themselves in a dangerous situation.
That safety factor, even though it's important every time we roll out the door, we can refer back to the training that we've had to be safe.
Both offering their condolences to the Chicago Fire Department and saying that they will continue doing what they can to make sure everyone goes home. Live in the studio, Nick Robinson, News 9 WAOW.